Did you know a cat's meowing can actually teach wild animals to trust humans? Every morning, Luna sat by the kitchen window crying at what seemed like nothing. Her family worried she was going crazy, but security cameras revealed the sweetest secret. Luna wasn't talking to herself. She was chatting with a family of wild rabbits who visited at sunrise. Her gentle meows were teaching the baby bunnies that not all big creatures meant danger. Sometimes the most beautiful friendships happen when we're not even watching.